may well be that during the negotiation process you start to feel that there is something wrong is going on. Something that you can't really see or identify without anybody's help. So you may feel that your partners either just avoid speaking about some issues or avoid giving some specific details, or you just feel that there is something suspicious. And in order to avoid some problems taking place or occurring in the future, we need sometimes just to take care of this during the negotiations and deal with this, as we say, right at hand. So let us think about identifying obstacles, and then we'll move on to delaying. How do we produce these kind of obstacles without too much, without generating too much of suspicion from the side of our interlocutors. So let us draw attention to the section of identifying obstacles. The main problem that bothers us is that you don't really say exactly when it will be ready, or you are not really clarifying whether or not you will be prepared to deal with this problem or with our project. Or the main obstacle to progress at the moment seems to be the lack of clarity in this question. The main obstacle to progress at the moment. Beautiful, really nice one. What exactly is the underlying problem here? Sometimes you would want to get to the bottom of the problem, and you would say, what exactly is the underlying, something that is beneath the surface, somewhere hidden? What exactly is the underlying problem here? Very nice one. Or, to be a little bit more specific, I'd like to analyze the situation and get to the bottom of the problem. I would like to analyze it. I would like to spend some time on this and to get to the bottom of the problem and to deal with this now. Let's just clarify, let's just speak about this as it is. Because we don't want to face any kind of surprise in the future. Sometimes we may find ourselves in the place where we would really want to have this deal, we want to strike it, we want to have or to land this deal, but from the other side we wouldn't be able to provide some certain details, and we would want to buy some time, we would want to delay signing the agreement. So in this case we may use the other phrases. We would have to study this and get back to you on this later. We would have to study this and to get back to you on this later. Or, I don't have the authority to make such decisions by myself. I can't really say that this is a really nice phrase to say, because if you are the person who is in authority, then why should you come to the negotiations? But okay, anyhow, sometimes it would work. So why not to take this into account? So, and the last one, we'll have to consult with our colleagues on this matter. We will have to consult on this, or we will have to think about this yet once more, or we'd have to give a thought to this, whether or not we'll be able to actually do this as you suggest to us. Alrighty, so some of the phrases to clarify, to identify and to deal with the obstacles which hinder us from making progress, or the phrases which would help us to delay answering these quite sometimes direct questions.